Muri Eco Warriors are kids, from toddlers to teens, who live in the Muri area and want to learn about and protect the beaches and surroundings. Their first project took place at the beach area in front of the Ngatangiia sports field. Cyclones and storms have washed rocks from the retaining wall onto the sand and into the lagoon. The kids, with a little help from some adults, shifted rocks, small, middle-sized and large. And also learnt about levers, fulcrums and cooperation. The Warriors programme will run once a month with a different mission each time. The plan next time is to head along the Avana Valley and check out freshwater ecology.